Dome City has been built on bank of Sangam in Mahakumbh. It has been prepared for 2 months for all people, for all devotees and tourists who are coming here to witness and understand what actually Mahakumbh is. We are currently present at Dome City and will show you all the exclusive pictures out from the very location, and this is the main entrance point. They have been prepared for 2 months, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. Devotees here can take sunbathing during the day and see the open sky stars at night. This is the main gate, or you can say this is the main entry point of the Dome City. This is the space, this is the overall space of the Dome City, and now gradually we'll walk inside this beautiful Dome City. The experience will be like watching the Mahakumbh Mela from a hill station. Still, the construction is on. Online booking is already there, and from today, various guests have started arriving here. 50 luxury cottages are built in Dome City, which will have all the state-of-art facilities for staying. We'll continuously showing you the area of this whole Dome City. Now, what the Dome City actually is, what area is it actually covering, what's the total cost, how many cottages are there, how many domes are there, there's ample of questions everyone wants to know. In fact, we have in our mind. For more queries, let's move inside the dome and the cottages, and we'll knowing what all facilities, what all things, what all equipments, what are the facilities that have been there or this Dome City is giving for all the tourists who have been coming here for the Mahakumbh. Let's get inside now. So all the viewers are keenly interested in knowing that how to reach this beautiful Dome City, an initiative by Uttar Pradesh Tourism. So let me show you now the pictures. These are the stairs. Now from here you can see a beautiful painting on a wall where a saint is offering prayers. So from here people will come up, and the beautiful aerial view is adding a much more beauty to this whole Dome City. Built at a cost of approx 51 crore. The Dome City is spread over 3.25 acres on the Arel Ghat. It is built by private company Evo Life Space Private Limited in collaboration with the State Tourism Department. This is the actual dome you can see from outside. So now like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like every dome is there. So altogether 10 domes have been made, giving all the people coming out here an aerial view, and you can see there, the ghat is there. It is built on Sangam bank. So if standing here, they can get a beautiful look of that Arail Ghat. A total of 50 cottages are built, each with modern amenities like air conditioner, geyser, and arrangement for Sattvic food. A proper restaurant is set up here. And the rate for staying in these unique accommodations vary depending on the time of the event. We are continuously showing you the picture of domes. Most domes cost between rupees 41,000 and 81,000, while some are quite high. So these are the views outside the dome. Now what happens next is we'll move inside the dome and we'll show you what all facilities, what all amenities are there for the tourists who all are coming here. So now let's move inside the dome and we'll show you all the pictures out here, how it actually look like, what the comfort is there, what our amenities are inside the dome. So we have opened, and first of all, I'd like you all to know that this dome is waterproof, bulletproof and soundproof, and also fireproof. This sheet which actually you are seeing in front of your TV screen. And now this is the inside picture of dome. Built with high-tech 360 degree. So the domes are not only visually stunning but also, as I've already told, these are bulletproof, waterproof, fireproof, ensuring the safety and comfort of guests. Now these sheets which you are seeing in front of your TV screen is polycarbonated sheets. So the rent of the dome has been kept at 91,000 plus GST on the day of bathing festival and 81,000 for normal days. And this dome has also, you can see, attached toilet and bathroom, open air space from where the activities of Ganga and Mahakumbh will be seen. There are also Yagyashalas, temple and places to do yoga over here. So the igloo-like experience for the first time in India. The concept of Dome City is inspired by igloos of snowy countries. And however, it has been brought to India for the very first time with such grandeur. And if you talk about height, each dome is built at height of 15 feet, which gives a great view of every direction. So it is quite interesting when people from all over India, from all over world will be coming. They're gonna enjoy each and every bit of this dome. We are showing you the inside pictures. So if we talk about the facilities out here, ACs are there, geysers are there, electric kettle is placed, and as far as room warmers are concerned, government have not gave the permission for that. But as far as I am inside the dome, the temperature is normal. But AC, geyser, electric kettle are already placed, but as far as room warmer is concerned, permission is still not allotted. So the government haven't give the permission for the room heaters, maybe because of safety of the guest who will come out here. So now we'll move out as we are continuously showing you the pictures of this beautiful dome. Now from outside, we are talking about the thick sheets that have been used here. So total 50 cottages are built. Amenities like air conditioner, geysers, all the arrangement for Sattvic food is here. So built at cost of approx 51 crore, the Dome City is spread over 3.25 acres of Arel Ghat. Built with high-tech 360-degree polycarbonate sheets, the dome are not only visually stunning but also bulletproof, fireproof and waterproof, ensuring the safety and comfort of guests. So the rate of staying in this unique accommodations vary depending upon the time of event. It has been built by private company Evo Life Space Private Limited in collaboration with the State Tourism Department. This is the actual beauty of dome which we are showing you out here. Now let's move toward the cottages because 10 domes is there and beneath that cottages are there. So in total 50 cottages are there. Now we'll check up how the cottage actually looks like. So we noticed the dome here out in Dome City, and as far as the domes are concerned, in total 10 domes are there, and beneath every dome there are 4 each wooden cottages. So in total there are 40 wooden cottages. Now how cottages look like, what are the material used, who have been making this all, we will show you each and everything. What are the facilities inside the wooden cottages? So we are now entered the wooden cottages. This is one of an example. So this is how wooden cottages looks like. Beautiful wallpapers, PVC paneling. And here also if we talk about the basic facilities, we will show you. This is the washroom and geyser is placed inside it. So this whole cottages looks quite fascinating. So in total 40 cottages are built, each with modern amenities. air condition, geysers, and for people, for tourists and devotees, arrangement for Sattvic food is there. Now the question comes, how many cottages are there? What is the main areas? Who has made these cottages? What's the material used? What are the facilities inside that we are continuously showing you? How big the cottage is? What is the cost? For the actual figures, we'll talk with a concerned person here. We'll try to reach out to them, because from today, when I'm talking about the online booking that has already been started, it's being done, people have already applied for it, and in just couple of hours, that has been told, officials here told us that the guest will be started arriving for the check-ins. So this is the Dome City. We are continuously showing you the pictures, the aerial view at the Arail Ghat. These are the wooden cottages that has already been well furnished and is ready to use. As far as dome is concerned, we showed you the pictures. These are actually waterproof, bulletproof, fireproof, providing all the comfort for the guest who will be coming here and providing the memories, because this technique is used first time in India, and the igloo structures that has been provided to the dome and also the cottages. Here people can do activities like they can meditate, yogas, separate area have been divided. So for further details, let's go on to some further officials who can explain that what is the how to navigate it, what is the process, how to come here, how to navigate it, and what are the facilities out here, what is the costing, and on special date on Snan, what is the actual costing, everything. So continuously we are showing you the pictures inside Dome City and also inside Dome. How beautifully they have been made, how beautifully the facilities is there, and each and every dome has its own uniqueness. So 10 dome altogether are there, and beneath, if we talk about, there are 4 cottages each, the wooden cottages. So we have some people with us who will share the basic information that if people are coming from railway stations, if people are coming from airport, how to reach, how to navigate this beautiful Dome City. सुशील जी, सबसे पहले तो ये खूबसूरत जो डोम सिटी बनी है, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि क्या ये कॉन्सेप्ट आया था, क्योंकि ये पहला एक भारत में ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट आया है विदेश से कि ये इग्लू का जो एक लुक दिया है, और कैसे नेविगेट करेंगे लोग इसे जब वो रेलवे ट्रेन से आ रहे होंगे या जब एयरपोर्ट से आ रहे होंगे।
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो ये कल्चर हम लोग लेकर आए हैं, बेसिकली ये यूरोप का कल्चर है। इस तरीके के जो पहले बनती थी चीज़ें, ये सब यूरोप से आई हैं। तो अभी हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग महाकुंभ में, आज तक जो महाकुंभ है वो इलाहाबाद है, ये आपको टेंट सिटी के नाम से जाना जाता था, बट पहली बार क्योंकि डोम सिटी यहाँ पर आया है तो अब ये डोम सिटी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। मैं आपको अगर मैं बात आपको बताऊँ कि आप यहाँ पर किस तरीके से आ सकते हैं, तो देखिए ये जो जगह है ये अरेल में पड़ती है। अरेल के पास DPS स्कूल है, तो हम DPS स्कूल के सामने ही हमारा ये डोम सिटी के नाम से ये हमारा कैंप यहाँ पर रेडी है जी।
दूसरा सवाल मेरा आपसे ये है कि क्या टोटल कॉस्ट आया डोम का, और अगर हम वुडन कॉटेजेस की बात करें?
आप प्राइस की बात कर रहे हैं कि किस प्राइस में हम लोग अपने गेस्ट को दे रहे हैं। तो देखिए इसमें 2 तरीके के हैं। एक तो हम लोग जिस 15 फीट पर जिस तरह आप बैठे हुए हैं और अपने दर्शकों को दिखा सकते हैं कितना खूबसूरत नज़ारा है यहाँ से। जो भी गेस्ट है या जो भी तीर्थ करने के लिए आया है वहाँ यहाँ बैठ के शाम की चाय का लुत्फ उठा सकता है अपने परिवारजन के साथ। तो जो इसकी कॉस्ट है इसमें 61,000 प्लस GST इसकी कॉस्ट रहेगी। इस पैकेज में हम लोग गेस्ट को 3 टाइम का मील, ब्रेकफास्ट।
61,000 फॉर नॉर्मल डेज है, लेकिन अगर मेन स्नान का दिन है तब क्या ये कॉस्टिंग ऊपर भी जाएगी?
जी बिल्कुल। देखिए मेन स्नान में क्योंकि क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, इन्वेंटरी बहुत कम और लिमिटेड रहती है, तो इसकी कॉस्ट हमेशा बढ़ जाती है। तो उस समय जो इसकी कॉस्ट होगी वो 91,000 प्लस GST होगी। 1 दिन का।
ओके, अब अगर मैं बात करूं कि इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट का कॉस्टिंग कितना आया तो क्या हो?
इस
लगभग।
पूरे जो कॉस्ट आया है, मतलब इसमें 50 CR के करीब हम लोगों ने इन्वेस्टेड 50 CR।
हाँ, और टोटल अगर मैं एरिया की बात करूं तो ये कितना एरिया होगा?
ये 7.5 एकड़ में हम लोग बना रहे हैं, जिसमें कि हम लोग डोम मतलब 2 तरीके के डोम हैं। अगर आप एक एलिवेटेड डोम है, एक ग्राउंडेड डोम है, वुडन के भी कुछ हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर्स बना रहे हैं। इसके साथ साथ हम लोग अपने गेस्ट के लिए एक एम्पी थिएटर का इंतज़ाम हमने किया हुआ है। यहाँ पर आने वाले गेस्ट को योगा मेडिटेशन कराएंगे। हमने कुछ ब्राह्मणों का यहाँ पे इंतज़ाम किया हुआ है, ताकि अब हमारे जो गेस्ट हैं वो भी अपने पूजा या जो भी उनका कर्म कांड है वो जो भी विधि विधान के तहत पूजा कर सकते हैं।
हाँ।
इसका भी हम लोगों ने मद्देनज़र रखते हुए यहाँ पर इंतज़ाम किए हुए हैं।
कौन कौन से और एमिनिटीज हैं जो यहाँ पर गेस्ट्स को मिलेंगे?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं बता दूंगा आपको, एक तो हम यहाँ पे जो व्यंजन जो खाना दे रहे हैं अपने गेस्ट को, बहुत सात्विक रूप में दे रहे हैं। इसके साथ साथ अगर हम देंगे आपको कुछ, जैसे हमारे इंटरनेशनल गेस्ट हैं जो पहली बार यहाँ कुंभ में स्नान करने के लिए आ रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए एक हमने छोटा सा फूड कोर्ट का अरेंजमेंट किया हुआ है, जिसमें कि तरह तरीके के अलग अलग इंटरनेशनल और नेशनल कुछ फूड सप्लायर हम लोगों ने, फूड चेन हम लोगों ने रखी हुई है। इसके साथ अलग हमने एक एम्पी थिएटर रखा हुआ है, जहाँ पर हम लोग भारत के जितने भी कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं, जैसे कि कठपुतली खेल हो गया या इस तरीके के रंग मंच जो होते हैं।
मतलब गेस्ट को मजा आने वाला है। तो कितना टाइम लगा सबसे पहले तो ये सब बन जाने में, जब कॉन्सेप्ट आया आपके दिमाग में? तो
देखिए, कॉन्सेप्ट हमें जो कॉन्सेप्ट ये आया, लगभग ये 6 से 7 महीने का समय लग गया। 6 से 7 महीने में इसकी पूरी प्लानिंग हुई, टेंडरिंग हुई। यूपी टूरिज्म से हम लोगों ने ये लैंड का अलॉटमेंट कराया टेंडर के थ्रू। उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे ये स्ट्रक्चर बनना शुरू हुए, और हम 20 तारीख से ऑलमोस्ट 20 तारीख से हम लोग उसको लाइव करके अपने गेस्ट के लिए बिल्कुल रेडी रखेंगे।
तो इनफैक्ट गेस्ट का आना शुरू हो गया होगा, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन बुकिंग्स आप लोगों ने काफ़ी पहले खोल दी थी। क्या गेस्ट ऑलरेडी उसको बुक कर चुके हैं?
हाँ, हमारी गेस्ट बुक कर चुके हैं, और हम लोग, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया, फुल फ्लैश हम लोग 20 तारीख से स्टार्ट करेंगे, और हमारे को 20 तारीख से गेस्ट आने शुरू हो जाएंगे।
तो इसमें कौन कौन से डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जो इन्वॉल्व हैं बिल्डिंग द डोम सिटी, अगर मैं बात करूँ तो?
देखिए, लगभग जितने भी जैसे फायर डिपार्टमेंट हो गया अलग से, है ना, टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट हो गया, यूपी गवर्नमेंट का हमको यहाँ पे वो पूरा सपोर्ट मिलता है। इस तरीके से भिन्न भिन्न डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जो इस तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं हमारे लिए।
तो लाइक मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि अब जो है ये ऑलरेडी जो डोम है या वुडन कॉटेजेस हैं, ये गेस्ट के लिए रेडी हो चुके हैं।
जी बिल्कुल, आप देख सकते हैं हम लोग 2 पार्ट में इसको स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। जो हम लोग अभी स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं, क्योंकि कुंभ का इस समय आपको पता है कि व्यवस्था थोड़ी सी वो हो जाती है, ट्रक्स वगैरह बंद हो जाते हैं, तो कुछ सामान अभी हमारा और आना है, इस वजह थोड़ा सा हम डिले कर रहे हैं। बट रेस्ट जो हमारे गेस्ट आ रहे हैं 25 जनवरी से पहले उनके लिए हम लोगों ने भरपूर पूरे इंतजाम किए हुए हैं।
तो ये जो डोम का कॉस्टिंग आपने मुझे बताया था 41 ऑन नॉर्मल डेज, 41, हाँ,
जो डोम का कॉस्ट है 61,000 प्लस
61,000 plus GST for normal days, and for special events and timing it will cost around 91,000 plus GST. And if we talk about wooden cottages, उनके nominal days पे क्या charges होंगे?
देखिए, नॉर्मल डेज में जो हमने उसकी कॉस्ट है वो 25,000 प्लस GST रखा हुआ है, और 35,000 स्पेशल गेस्ट स्पेशल डेज के लिए।
So all together 10 domes, and एक डोम के नीचे beneath every dome 4 wooden cottages, so 40 wooden cottages are there.
जी,
So continuously we were trying to reach the concerned person, and Mr. Sushil already told us how to navigate the dome city, what all facilities are there, how to locate it, and it is already built near the banks of Sangam, which we can clearly see. And the guest will also enjoy yoga and meditation here. Special food courts have been made for Sattvic food. So this is the actual dome city, and we saw you the exclusive pictures. So it's quite fascinating. The unique concept came very first time in India. So this is actually the dome city, and continuously we saw the inside pictures, waterproof, bulletproof and fireproof. The polycarbonated sheets with 360 aerial view, and the whole area which we are showing you continuously on your TV screens. So we were present here in Dome City, where we tried to capture each and everything, each and every moment, to show you the exclusive pictures from inside and outside the dome, from inside and outside the wooden cottages. We told you the exact costing. Online booking is available, and as far the official informed us that online booking already have been done, and from today onwards the guests will be coming here for the check-ins. With video journalist Arshad, this is Nikita Sareen signing off for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.